Welcome back. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a very hot day here in Indiana. As you can tell, I'm wearing gray and I'm sweating through it. But today we're going to finish putting the floor in. I'm going to get the floor panel ready, weld in that patch panel, and see what else we can get done today. So keep watching, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Alright, so the panel is prepared and I am sweaty. But we got everything, all our spot welds that we're going to use drilled out, cleaned up. I got the seat brackets mounted on there with the bolt and a washer to hold it center in the hole. And then I'm going to weld those on. But yeah, once we get all that done, then we can test fit it one more time and make sure all our stuff lines up and everything's good. Get those panels welded in and then get the floor in. So yeah, keep watching. I'll show you guys what I got done. We're ready to test fit the floor and then hopefully weld it in before it gets too dark. So we'll take a look at what we got done and then throw the floor in, test fit that one more time, and hopefully weld it in. All right, I got the panel, the patch panel in. The welds, not my greatest, not a professional, but it'll hold. I'll seam seal all the stuff that is kind of exposed there. So yeah, nothing will show through. So I'll get it cleaned up and we're gonna weld it in. I'm not gonna worry about this. New panel should sit on top of that, so I'll just hit that with some rust converter, leave it how it is. And then we got this little panel replaced here. So yeah, we're ready to weld it in. So I'm gonna get it fitted in here, and then we'll weld it. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. All right, so the panel's in. As you can see, I got the jack with with the 2x4 under there supporting it, kind of pushing up against it. Got my level on it. So we're gonna get to welding. At least tack this in a few spots, and then burning all these spot welds. So yeah, let's get back to it. All right, I got the floor in, and yes, I did change my shirt, and this one is soaked too. So yeah, floor is in. Got to patch this little spot right there. Hit it with the hammer, and decided it was gonna break. So yeah, this is it. The floor is in. It's solid. I'm able to move the whole car. So yeah, it's one step closer. Got the brackets in, so you can see got the brackets in. Got some good penetration on those welds. Kind of went over them and redid them in a different angle to get in there. But yeah, it's spot welded all in. Kind of got a little bit. I got a panel I got to put right there, but I'm gonna seam seal that. That should be all good. But yeah, we'll seam seal pretty much everything we welded. And yeah, that's it. So next step will be to move on to the frame rails, and that is gonna be fun. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Sorry I couldn't get me actually welding the floor in, but I believe there's a few videos on here that kind of explain it very well if you are. The one that I pretty much used, I believe it was House of Dula. He has some pretty good videos of how he welded his in. I kind of got some of the tips from him, like the jack and the wood underneath the subframe connector to kind of, oh, there's a fly, to kind of push it up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Any tips, anything like that, go ahead and drop them. I've got a few so far, and plan on definitely using a couple of them. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video when we clean it up, seam seal it, and hopefully move on to the frame rail, or we'll probably just patch some of the holes that we have. But yeah, thanks for watching.